The Eveanro 30-inch slide-in range filler neatly bridges the gap behind compatible slide-in stoves, keeping crumbs and spills from disappearing into a hard-to-reach space. Its triangular design with 3 usable widths makes it adaptable to a variety of gap sizes, so you can fine-tune the fit instead of living with an awkward opening. The aluminum construction with an oxidized surface feels solid, resists heat and moisture, and looks like a natural extension of a modern stainless or silver appliance. Because the piece is fully enclosed rather than a flimsy strip, it wipes clean easily and helps the whole cooking area look more finished and tidy. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware and clear instructions. And once in place, the filler stays put without wobbling or rattling. The kit comes with the main filler strip, mounting accessories, and screws, making it a practical upgrade for keeping the space behind your range clean and low maintenance.